14-year-old Christian girl Ariha Gulzar has been reunited with her family 11 weeks after being abducted by her Muslim neighbour. Return to her family was made by order of the Lahore High Court. On the 7th of April, Ariha was finally presented in court by the police. A petition for the recovery of Ariha was initially submitted to the court in mid-March, and a further court hearing was held on the 24th of March. Witnesses at the court hearing said that Ariha appeared disorientated and to be under pressure. In her statement to the court, she claimed to be 18 years old, said she had converted to Islam, and insisted that she is married her alleged abductor of her own free will. Such statements are often made by abducted Christian girls in court due to threats and intimidation by the kidnappers. However, official documents submitted to the court by the family's legal team, supported by Church in Chains partner organizations, CLAS, confirmed to that Ariha is a minor. These records included her birth certificate, were accepted by Justice Chandra Sawar, was valid government-issued evidence. In his ruling, Justice Sawar rejected the defense's arguments and the claim of a lawful marriage and ordered Aria's immediate release and return to her mother's custody. This is a great legal victory, not only for the family and our legal team, but for all human rights activists, says Najir Saeed, director of CLAS UK. Too often, in similar cases, courts accept claims under Sharia law and allow underage girls to remain with their abductors. In Islam, any girl who has started menstruating is sometimes wrongly considered an adult, leading to misuse of this interpretation to justify the child's marriages. These rulings send a powerful message of justice for vulnerable minority girls in Pakistan. The High Court was previously ruled to raise the legal marriage age for girls from 16 to 18. However, legislation is still pending in Parliament, he added. Pakistan has ratified the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child and is therefore obligated to align its domestic laws and international standards. Maria and her family are fortunate, but there are many others who are still waiting for justice. Some parents have abandoned the struggle altogether after repeated failures and intimidation. On January the 20th, 3 Muslims abducted Ariha Gulzar at gunpoint from her home in Okara, Punjab province. Her mother, Sumara Gulzar, a member of the Catholic Church, said her daughter was abducted by a 40-year-old neighbour and 2 accomplices after they forced their way into the family home. She said she tried to stop them, but they forcibly took Ariha away in a white car. Sumira said, the next day I received a phone call from the abductor in which he threatened to rape Ariha and to sell her for sex traffickers if she pursued the matter. Ariha's father, Gulzar Mashi, described the neighbour as a known criminal of our area, and we are very poor and weak people. We didn't have the resources to bribe the police or go to court. Abduction, forced conversion, and marriages of young girls is an ongoing problem for Christians and Muslim families in Pakistan, the perpetrators being much older Muslim men who are often already married with children. Police are slow to register reports of abductions, and when cases come to court, judges often ignore documentary evidence of the children's ages and rule in the basis of Sharia law, which allows for very young marriage rather than federal law. Young girls who are often pressured to record false statements in favor of their new husbands are handed back to them and lose contact with their families.